What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel S55E, and today I'm going to be installing a blow-off valve on my 335i. As you can see here, I already have the dual cone intakes, and I already upgraded the Chargepipe, but we're going to have to get rid of this diverter valve because, well, it's not going to be able to hold that much boost. So step into my office real quick. Let's assemble the blow-off valve. Okay, so as you can see, we've got TIAL blow-off valve. Man. So clamp it in. I don't know. Nipple. Yeah. Box. Alright. Chargepipe. Everything you see here. VRSF. Line. And boom. There you have it. So all I need to do now is just assemble all of this stuff. Take out the DCI, the old Chargepipe, reassemble, and we should be good to go. That's a pretty good work I did. What the hell? my muscles. Oh, yeah. Remember, there's a map sensor. There is a map sensor. Yes. I almost forgot about it. Oh, just pull it apart. No! What the f? Just pull it apart. No! What the f? Oh my god! One of the things that I hate the most is shit dropping in the engine bay. Oh my goodness. Let me remember how to take this off. Let's put your little flathead. And there you have it. Pops right out. Bam! Little charge pipe on. Oh my goodness. Now I have to retrieve whatever it is that fell. Oh boy. Falling all these moving parts. Come on. Where are you? Where are you? If I find you. And that gets away. Freaking hate it when stuff falls in here, man. I hate it. And you know what? Watch it cause. Watch the car blow up. Are you? Oh my goodness. This car fucking blow up because it's stupid. Nowhere to be found. Just gonna sit that way. And then we're gonna do this. Bam. 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 Yes. Oh, there we go. Nice and easy fit. This goes on here. This part goes right on here, like so. Make sure right in here like so. And just screw it in. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. First, let me make sure this thing is nice and flush. Nothing's gonna. I'm also gonna turn this in a way that I can get to it. That's good enough. Somewhat get to it from here. Okay, so everything is on. Everything looks pretty good. Before I tighten that down, move this around.